Let's learn how to enable assistant menu icon. If we enable this assistant menu icon, we can use our mobile very easily. Let's learn how to enable this option. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and go to accessibility option. Click on interaction and dexterity option. In here, you can enable assistant menu icon. Now you can do lot of things using this assistant menu icon. You can go to back, open recent applications, go to home, take screenshots, volume adjustments. You can do lot of things using this assistant menu icon. In this method, you can enable this assistant menu icon and you can use mobile very easily.